Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the or how to set up the profile photo on your Tumblr account. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to set a profile picture or profile photo in your Tumblr account. I just going to show in this video. Open your Tumblr account, go to your profile first, then click on the profile image. You have this two option called change your avatar or view your avatar. I just need you first of all just need to select to click on the change avatar, and here you just need to choose a photo or just click on this and choose your photo and just select the image from your gallery first. So I just added my photo here and click on the save option. So my image has been added on my profile. You can see how the avatar has been showing, and now here you have this two option called you can just select the shapes like a square or a circle. You just need to choose if the profile picture can be on the square thing or can be on the circle thing. I just go with the circle and click on the OK option. So now your profile picture is completely set. This is how you just set your profile picture on your Tumblr account on your mobile phone application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet the next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.